Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. It seems as though every restaurant in America has chicken wings on the menu. And why? Well, because they're so good. In fact, I'm in the mood for some right now, and well, you know me, I'm coming up with a brand new sauce. I have 5 pounds of wings that I generously salted and peppered. And I'm just going to throw all of these on the grill. It's a combination of the wing tips and the drumettes. All right, I'm going to let these grill away, and I'm going to work on my peach Bellini sauce. I start off with a 12-ounce jar of peach preserves. Just put the whole thing in there. I'm going to add 2 cups of Prosecco, which is a sparkling wine. There's about 1 cup. There's about 1 cup. I'm going to add the juice of 2 limes. You can also use lemons if you'd like. The juice of 1 lemon. Then you got to have some hot sauce with wings. So I'm adding about 1/4 cup's worth of hot sauce. We combine all those flavors. Those peach preserves are going to melt. Then we want to let it simmer away until it reduces into a nice thick sauce. Alright, and now, while this is happening, I'm going to flip my wings because I think they're ready. The peach Bellini cocktail was invented in 1948 at the very famous Harry's Bar in Venice, Italy. It was the time of year when the Italian white peaches were nice and ripe, and so the owner wanted to come up with a cocktail using these peaches, and it ended up becoming a Bellini because one of his favorite artists from the 15th century, a guy by the name of Bellini, would paint these paintings and use this kind of unusual peachy rosy color, and that's how it got its name. Look at that. It's nice and thick and bubbly, and so I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to stir in 1 peach that I diced. Shut my grill down. Those wings are perfect. And now I pour this beautiful sauce all over. Sweet and spicy. Great combination. So let's see, the peach Bellini cocktail was invented in 1948 in Venice, and peach Bellini chicken wings were invented right now.